Welcome to Social 5. Today we'll teach you how to use the mobile marketing suite to effectively capture leads while you're on the go. This tutorial will focus specifically on adding a one-touch icon to your phone to make your mobile marketing suite super accessible anytime you are tempted to pull out the paper business card and exchange it with a prospect. In this case, we want you to collect the email address of the individual that you are interacting with so we can begin them on a monthly email marketing campaign that will help you increase the close rate of your leads. So to access your mobile marketing suite and ultimately add them to your phone, what I'd like you to do is to go to any web browser on a phone, a tablet, or a desktop and type in the address for your mobile marketing suite. In this case, you'll see an address at the top, yourbusiness.social5.net. If you can't remember the address for your mobile marketing suite, please contact us at support@social5.com and we'll get that right over to you. We want to make sure that you can use this effectively to monetize the day-to-day interactions you have with potential prospects. So please open it on your phone and you'll come to a screen that looks somewhat like this, except it will have your mobile marketing screen there in the place of it. To add a one-touch icon to your home screen, simply click on this box with an arrow at the bottom, then click on Add to Home Screen and push Add. This will give you a single button so that when you're talking to someone at a business networking group or in the airport or in the line at the grocery store, and you say, I'd love to send you some information about my business, you can pull out your phone, click on the button, and enter their email address, and that lead has been captured. If you are using an Android device, like a Samsung Galaxy, the process is very simple. Pull it up on an internet browser, click on the three vertical dots up in the upper right-hand corner, then add to home screen, and bingo, you're set. You've got the mobile marketing suite added to your home screen, and you are prepared to now start capturing leads. If you have any questions on how to use the mobile marketing suite, please contact us at support@social5.com. Thank you so much.